In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link in WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Adding links correctly is super important because it helps your visitors navigate your site, improves SEO, and lets you send people to other pages, posts, or external websites. If you're building a blog, business website, or portfolio, this is a skill you absolutely need. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress website and go to your dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages that exist on your website. Now, find the page where you want to add the link and click on Edit. This will open the WordPress editor so you can make changes to your content. Inside the editor, scroll to the section of text where you want the link to appear. Using your mouse, click and drag to highlight the word or sentence that you want to turn into a link. This text is what visitors will click on. After highlighting the text, look at the toolbar that appears above the paragraph. Click on the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain. When you click it, a box will appear where you can enter a URL. Now type in the website address or page link that you want to connect to your highlighted text. Make sure the link is correct and starts with HTTPS if it's an external website. Once the link is entered, confirm it by pressing Enter or clicking the Apply button. Your text should now appear as a clickable link. Before finishing, take a quick moment to double-check that the link looks correct and points to the right destination. Finally, go to the top or side of the editor and click Save or Update to make sure your changes are published. That's it. You've successfully added a link in WordPress. As you can see, it's quick and easy once you know where to click. Adding links helps make your website more professional and user-friendly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.